I guess good things do come in cheap packages, and this is one of them. Today, we're checking out this LISEN MagSafe wallet. Check this guy out. So I got this wallet on sale and I actually got it for $13. The current price on this wallet is 19 bucks with a 10% off coupon. So if you like this wallet, jump on it, use my affiliate link. It really supports my channel. While you're there, you might as well subscribe to my channel because if you are watching this, you probably like gadgets as much as I do. If you don't subscribe, that's okay. I would appreciate you giving me a like to let the algorithm know that this is indeed a helpful video for you. All right, let's dive right into some of the key features about this wallet. Number one, it has RFID protection. Because a lot of these MagSafe wallets on the market here do not have RFID protection or they will charge you a premium for it. This wallet being $18, yeah, it has RFID. It also has this awesome finger ring. So, ha. Now this little grip ring, you can put your finger right through it. And as soon as it's attached to your phone, you can watch videos upside down. You can use it to take photos. Basically, it allows easy one-handed operations on a bigger phone like this iPhone 15 Pro Max. So Pelican lock safe, you can hold 6 cards. This, you can comfortably hold up to 4 cards. And if you want to max it out, 5 cards. Within here, what do we get? You get a semi-transparent ID slot here. It can hold up to 2 cards, so I will put my ID here and my insurance card or a debit card right here. On the other side, you also get a card slot, and this holds up to 2 cards. I've been using this wallet for about 3 weeks now, and you can see that it is slowly starting to stretch out into the shape of 2 cards. So just keep this in mind. This will be my biggest concern when it comes to wear and tear. Let's see if we'll pass the shake test. There is a chance that your cards might come out, but overall, my main complaint is just this inside panel right here. This thing is not offering enough grip to keep the cards in place. According to LISEN, you can fit 2 cards on the outside. I'm sure if you stretch it, you can, but to be honest with you, you can comfortably fit 1 card only. When it comes to cash, unfortunately, there's no money clip. It would be nice if there's some sort of money clip that you can just kind of fold your money in. So the way I carry cash is I just use the outside slot, usually tuck my cash in here like this. So now I have my cash, I have my 4 cards, including my ID. Very, very nice. Aside from the RFID protection, LISEN added 20 N55 magnets in here, so it is super strong and will stick to your phone like glue. The benefit of having this bifold design is that it doubles up as a kickstand. If your phone case does not have a built-in kickstand, this wallet is gonna come in handy. This allows me to just pop this phone out at work right next to my laptop. If I'm at home chilling, watching Netflix, then all I need to do is turn this sideways. Then I get my landscape mode, my 16:9 awesomeness. At the end of the day, do I recommend the LISEN RFID MagSafe wallet? Answer is yes. The card capacity is great. It holds 5 cards, pretty much everything that you will need, and an external slot to either hold cash or yet another card. It incorporates a ring grip so that you can use your phone upside down. It has really strong magnets that securely attaches to my phone. Again, peace of mind is a big thing here. Last but not least, it's versatile because it works as a kickstand for both vertical and horizontal video. This being $18 with a 10% off currently, it really represents value and quality with versatility in mind. So very well done, LISEN. I'm glad you listen to people and their feedback. This is an awesome wallet and comes highly recommended. If you're just getting into it, check out my videos on all the other MagSafe wallets I previously reviewed. But this one so far, I've been using it for 3 weeks now. It's been great. If you're watching this video right now, chances is that you're not subscribed to my channel. And that is completely understandable. But if you want to support a small channel that makes honest review on gadgets such as MagSafe wallets, cameras, camera gear, then consider subscribing and supporting my YouTube journey here. Thank you again. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.